Basic mouse operations and practices. Basic mouse operations and practices. How do you use your mouse? We have finished talking about how you use your keyboard. So, how do you use your mouse? Let's take a closer look at how you use your mouse professionally. How to hold your mouse. If you can look at um this person, we are not saying you should use one of your hand and hold this your hand. Is holding that because the risk is penning the person in the process of is a learner, is a beginner. So we are saying that at the initial time you will certainly experience pains in your wrist during the initial learning process. You will certainly experience pains in your wrist. So it is normal. When I started using the computer, that was what I experienced. So this is how you hold your mouse. You can see this is how you hold your mouse. We will do the videos. You check our YouTube channel and you will see the videos. You go through it, how to use your mouse. So you certainly experience. So when you are using your mouse, if you look at this other person, he's putting the mouse to use at this instance. He's using the mouse, he's giving the computer command, he's clicking whether the left or the right button. But if you look at this other picture here, this is the position, this is how your hand would be when you are not activating either the right button, the left button, the center button. This is how you will hold your mouse. It's unconsciously, because if you click on any part of the mouse now, you will activate something. So when you start using the mouse for a long time, each time you hold your mouse, you can keep your hand like this, and in as much as you are not selecting anything, you are not giving any command, this is how your hands, your fingers will be positioned. And when you use it for some time, you won't feel it again. You won't feel the pains again. So in actual sense, this is how you hold your mouse. Then if you want to activate either the left mouse or the right mouse or the center mouse, you can take the key, the particular finger there is a finger that is meant for a particular key on the keyboard, and there is a finger that is also meant for a particular button on the mouse. We are about getting there. But when it comes to the keyboard, when we'll be talking about Mavis Bacon, how to type, different fingers are for different keys. So the same thing is applicable when you are using your mouse. Different fingers for different keys. So you hold your mouse like this. You hold your mouse like this. If you are not activating any icon, if you are not activating any command, so different fingers for different parts of the mouse. Palm on mouse, on base of mouse, palm on base of mouse. As I'm talking to you, that is the same way, the way I'm holding my mouse. There is a video aspect of this training in which we will show you how to use each of the each of the computer components. So palm on base of mouse, you can see how this person is putting the palm. Then middle finger, middle finger on right mouse bottom, middle finger on right mouse bottom, thumb on side of mouse, index finger can on left mouse button, index finger on left mouse button. When you are using the mouse, each finger is for each of the button. So middle finger on right mouse button, index finger on left mouse button, thumb on side of mouse, thumb on side of mouse. You have to force yourself to use the different fingers we have mentioned for the different buttons on the mouse. We will give you the video aspect of this. So moving the mouse, how do you move the mouse? The mouse is usually placed on a flat surface or a mouse mat. When computer came in newly, mouse mat was raining, but these days if you use any flat surface, a table, a flat table, you can place your mouse, so you might not really need the mouse mat any longer. So when you move the mouse, the trackball on the underside of the mouse moves and the mouse pointer moves on the computer monitor. That is exactly what you are seeing. If you can see my mouse, I'm moving my mouse now and the pointer is moving. So you don't really, you move it without even noticing it. So each part of the mouse you want to move to, I want to move to this other side, I can move to any part of the mouse. Like, you just need to toggle the mouse to that particular direction and the pointer will be moving. If you pick the mouse off the flat surface, if I carry it off the flat surface now, or mouse pad, and move it to a different, I've carried the mouse now from the flat surface I was using, you see the mouse pointer is not moving. So I've dropped it, the mouse pointer start moving. So if you pick the mouse off the flat surface or mouse pad and move it to a different location, did the mouse pointer move across the screen? No. You can see I've moved it, the mouse is no more moving again. So that is that. And clicking an icon, clicking an item. How do you click an item? How do you click an item? um when you say clicking an item, some people will say highlight, highlight, highlighting an item. So highlighting an item